Let's talk about Hlookup function. For instance, we need to find the details of this person Joy from this table. Now down here, I'm going to enter my formula Hlookup like this. First argument is lookup value, so this cell is our lookup value, comma. Now table array is the next argument. Select or highlight this table like that, comma. Now the next argument is row index num. So we are focusing on Joy. We are going to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is row index num 4. Go to enter 4, comma. The last argument is either you choose true to get the approximate match, or you work with the false to get the exact match. For this case, we are looking for exact match. False, hit enter. Now from here, you're going to drag it like this. You get the details of this person.